Allergies making you sneeze non-stop? Runny nose, itchy eyes driving you crazy? Meet your quick relief friend, cetirizine, also known as Cetirizine or Zyrtec. Cetirizine is an antihistamine. It blocks histamine, the chemical that causes sneezing, runny nose, and itching. In minutes, it calms your allergy and clears your day. Usually, adults take one tablet once a day. It can make you sleepy, so avoid driving or operating heavy machines after taking it. Cetirizine gives fast relief from allergies, sneezing, and itching. Just take it responsibly and breathe easy again.